Hello, my name is Kai Hencken. I'm a research fellow working for ABB at the Corporate Research Center in Baden, Bettwil, which is close to Zurich. I'm also a lecturer at the University of Basel, where I give lectures in the physics department. I'm really a veteran of the conference. I have attended the conference, as far as I know, 7 times, all the way back when it was still held in Zurich, and then now for several times at the EPFL. I like that it is really like a good mixture of both academia, of new development research topics, fields that the area is moving to, but on the other hand, there's also a lot of industry giving their practical experience, so that gives me an insight into not only what academia is doing, but also what industry is really up to and what is really implemented or even like running with them. I think I really liked when I first entered here, that opened me the eye for a lot of the new topics. I was coming more from a background on physics and diagnostics, physical modeling. But over the years, I mean, looking especially the prognostics work done by NASA, but also then what Olga is now doing with respect to machine learning combined with prognostics or diagnostic features, this was really like a highlight over the year. I mean, one is really like having connecting to people, having like a community here that you see again over the years. I think this is clearly something that opens up the possibility for new collaboration, but also for discussions about individual topics after the presentation. What I bring back is clearly like this year was strongly on explainable AI, but also like there was a nice presentation on causal inference. And of course, what is always amazing these days is the capabilities of large language models if they are applied to prognostic and health management topics.